This essay example, as well as thousands of others, is available in text format on our website for free and without registration. Simply Google Ivy Panda Free Essays.
Ever since the wheel was invented, humans received a very powerful tool that, both literally and figuratively, stimulated our society to move forward. Transportation today is a crucial aspect of our lives, which affects immensely such spheres as the economy, politics, production, communications, and consumption. Automobiles are one of the most popular modes of transportation in the contemporary world. Most modern individuals cannot imagine their lives without transportation or traveling using automobiles. Automobiles carry a large number of benefits for human society. Still, at the same time, this technology is also the source of some negative influences on society and the world in general. Among the main advantages brought by automobiles to our lives is the ability of humans to affect their natural environments. First, people can easily change their environments by moving from one place to another. Besides, automobiles significantly speed up the process of moving around, so if an individual lives far away from their workplace or some other destination point, an automobile can help to change that issue. Due to automobiles, many places that used to be deemed hard to reach are now accessible and populated. One very important influence of modes of transportation such as automobiles is their stimulation of the process of globalization. Vehicles of various sizes and kinds deliver goods and carry people, making traveling and trade faster and more advanced. This strengthens the world's economies and, at the same time, provides high rates of people and capital movements and migration. In earlier times, importing goods from abroad could take months and was highly dangerous because the vehicles carrying the goods were often monitored and attacked by pirates and bandits. Besides, they were not resistant to sudden weather changes, such as hurricanes, heavy rains, and extremely low temperatures. Modern vehicles are not only resistant to various kinds of weather, but they are also much faster, which makes them not easy targets for robbers, and they can protect the goods they carry from getting spoiled or damaged. One of the negative impacts of vehicles is that they allow their leisure class owners to walk less. This may increase the rates of obesity or heart disease in society. It is a well-known fact that cars negatively affect the environment, producing greenhouse gases, ozone depletion, creating noise, and reducing water and air quality. A running car engine produces several types of gases harmful to the environment. Among them, there are carbon dioxide emissions known as carcinogens, nitrogen, and sulfur oxides. These gases destroy our atmosphere. Smog produced by cars contains carbon monoxide and harms human health. Fluids such as antifreeze, gasoline, oil, windshield wiper fluids, and refrigerants are also toxic to people and animals. Besides, fuel for vehicles of various kinds occurs from the extraction of natural resources of our planet, which are limited. In the 20th century, the automobile industry significantly influenced some of the aspects of American society. For example, automobiles altered the understanding of labor and jobs. As the cars started to be produced for the great multitude, the degradation of work occurred because car building structure and process started to hire many people for simpler, monotonous occupations. Yet the appearance of easily accessible automobiles in society immensely changed the employee's productivity. For example, any delivery or transportation business today is based only on the work of cars. Without them, the productivity of such companies would drop to zero. The introduction of automobiles to human society caused some ethical social issues. For example, as soon as the first cars appeared on the market, they immediately became luxury goods and demonstrations of the financial and social status of their owners. Today, many cars are bought not only for their practical qualities, but for the concept they represent and for prestige. Some of the most expensive cars produced these days, such as Bugatti or Lamborghini, have very little practical use. They are purchased by celebrities and rich people because of their trendy appearances. Many wealthy individuals are even known to collect cars or have a wide variety of expensive and outstanding items in their garages. Privatization of transportation modes in society caused the rapid growth of the gap between the rich and the poor and resulted in more severe social division into classes. Modern society is often divided into people who can afford a car and people who cannot afford a car. All in all, automobile technology changed human society significantly. It introduced us to faster and safer ways of traveling, it provided delivery of goods for trading, it made moving around easier, it speeded up the work processes of many industries, and it affected social and economic aspects of the world's society. This essay on automobiles, benefits and threats to society was written and submitted by a student just like you. The IvyPanda Samples database hosts thousands of works similar to this one on various subjects. Visit ivypanda.com to find what you are looking for.